If I either have started or completed a loan modification, can I still do a short sale? I'm Lathe Lavada with the Lathe Lavada Home Selling Team. In most cases, if you have either started or completed a loan modification and still are unable to make your payments on your mortgage, have a financial hardship, and meet other short sale requirements, then you may be able to short sell your home and avoid foreclosure. If you or someone you know is facing foreclosure and thinking about short selling, then call the number on your screen for a free consultation. If you like this video and want to see more, please visit www.mrshortsalenv.com/FAQ.